Did you know that most Americans are not meeting their daily fiber intake recommendations? Why is this nutrient so crucial yet often overlooked? Dietary fiber plays a pivotal role in our health, yet statistics show a widespread fiber deficiency in the typical American diet. Stay tuned as we uncover why this might be the case and answer some of the most pressing questions about fiber. Current research suggests that less than 5% of Americans consume the recommended amount of dietary fiber each day. This gap in fiber intake can lead to significant health issues, which emphasizes the need for a dietary shift towards more fiber-rich foods. Moreover, the complexity of dietary fiber with its various types and sources often leads to confusion about how to effectively incorporate it into daily meals. Today's video aims to demystify fiber, making it more accessible and understandable, showing you practical ways to enhance your diet for better health. Before we dive into the details, we would like to quick remind you, this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking any medication. What is fiber and what types are there? Fiber is a vital component found mainly in plant-based foods. It passes through our body undigested, aiding in various bodily functions. There are two types of fiber: soluble, which dissolves in water and can help lower glucose levels and blood cholesterol, and insoluble, which helps food move through your digestive system, enhancing stool bulk. Both types are crucial for optimal health. Soluble fiber not only reduces blood cholesterol and glucose levels, but also has a significant impact on metabolic health, regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. It adds bulk to the stool and helps it pass more quickly and easily through the digestive system. Incorporating a balanced amount of both types of fiber ensures a healthy digestive tract and can aid in preventing various digestive disorders. Benefits of fiber. Incorporating fiber into your diet boasts multiple health benefits. It normalizes bowel movements and helps maintain bowel health. Furthermore, fiber aids in weight loss and management by functioning as a bulking agent in your digestive system, making you feel full longer. Beyond these benefits, dietary fiber also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, fiber has been associated with a lower risk of metabolic syndrome, including conditions like obesity, hypertension, and cardiovascular issues. Fiber's role extends to gut health as well. It helps to nourish and support a healthy gut microbiota, which is vital for immune function, inflammation reduction, and even mental health. In addition to their fiber content, sweet potatoes offer a good dose of complex carbohydrates, making them an excellent energy source for sustained release throughout the day. Their high fiber content helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an ideal food choice for diabetics or anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet. Furthermore, the antioxidants in sweet potatoes, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Sweet potatoes are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be baked, boiled, roasted, or mashed, making them easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes, from savory meals to sweet treats. 2. Green peas. Green peas are a small but mighty source of nutrition, offering a wealth of vitamins and minerals along with their high fiber content. These tiny legumes are especially rich in vitamins K and C, which play vital roles in bone health and immunity, respectively. Peas are also a good source of plant-based protein, making them a popular choice among vegetarians and vegans for a nutrient boost. Beyond their nutritional value, green peas have a positive impact on digestive health due to their fiber content. The fiber in peas helps promote regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome, essential for overall digestive health. Additionally, the fiber in peas can aid in cholesterol management by helping to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol in the blood, which is beneficial for heart health. Their mild flavor and soft texture make green peas an excellent addition to a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to pastas and rice dishes. 3. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense nut that offers a host of health benefits along with their fiber content. They are particularly rich in healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which are known to improve heart health by reducing arterial inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. Almonds are also an excellent source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage and enhances skin health. In addition to their heart and skin benefits, almonds are beneficial for blood sugar control. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in almonds helps to slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, making them a smart snack choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. This nut is also a good source of essential minerals, such as magnesium, which is involved in more than 300 bodily processes, including blood sugar control. Almonds are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed raw or roasted as a snack, sliced into salads, ground into almond flour for baking, or even transformed into almond butter or milk. 4. Popcorn. Popcorn is often celebrated as a high-fiber, low-calorie snack when prepared healthily without excessive butter or salt. This whole grain not only provides a satisfying crunch, but also offers a substantial amount of fiber that aids in digestive health. Its high fiber content can help you feel fuller longer, which is beneficial for weight management and avoiding overeating. This humble snack is also packed with polyphenols, antioxidants found in plant foods that help reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. The concentration of polyphenols in popcorn is surprisingly high compared to many fruits and vegetables, largely because it is unprocessed and its whole grain nature retains these beneficial compounds. Furthermore, popcorn is a versatile snack that can be flavored in countless healthy ways beyond the traditional butter and salt. Options include sprinkling with nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the dairy, a dash of cinnamon for a sweet touch, or a sprinkle of chili powder for those who prefer a little heat. This adaptability makes popcorn a favorite among those seeking both health benefits and variety in their snacks. 5. Baked beans. Baked beans are a staple in many diets around the world, known for their rich flavor and nutritional benefits. They are typically prepared from navy beans or haricot beans and are slow-cooked in a tomato-based sauce. This preparation not only enhances their taste, but also helps preserve many of their nutrients, including fiber. Rich in protein as well as fiber, baked beans support muscle repair and growth while providing the gastrointestinal benefits of a high-fiber food. They are particularly beneficial for those looking to balance blood sugar levels, as their combination of protein and fiber can help slow the release of glucose into the bloodstream. This makes them an excellent food choice for sustained energy throughout the day. Additionally, baked beans are a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including potassium and iron. Potassium helps maintain normal blood pressure levels and is vital for heart health, while iron is essential for forming red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout the body. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only a delightful treat, but also a nutritional powerhouse. These vibrant red berries are loaded with vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in immune function and skin health. They are also rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their bright color and are linked to numerous health benefits. One of the lesser-known benefits of strawberries is their anti-inflammatory properties. The various antioxidants and phytochemicals in strawberries can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. This makes strawberries an excellent choice for those looking to support their overall health and reduce disease risk. Moreover, strawberries are a versatile fruit that can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. They can be eaten fresh, added to cereals or yogurt, blended into smoothies, or used to make healthy desserts. 7. Avocado. Avocados are widely celebrated for their health benefits and creamy texture, making them a popular choice for both culinary and nutritional purposes. These fruits are a unique source of healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fat, which is essential for heart health and helps reduce bad cholesterol levels. Additionally, avocados contain a wide range of essential nutrients, including potassium, which helps control blood pressure levels. The health benefits of avocados extend beyond heart health. They are also known for their ability to aid in the absorption of other nutrients. Fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K are more efficiently absorbed when eaten with fat-rich foods like avocados. This makes avocados an excellent complement to meals focused on nutrient density, ensuring that you get the most out of your dietary intake. Furthermore, avocados are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and sandwiches to smoothies and even desserts. Their mild flavor and rich texture make them an ideal ingredient for many recipes, enhancing the taste and nutritional profile of your meals. 8. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a staple in global cuisines valued not only for their nutty flavor, but also for their versatile nutritional profile. They are an excellent plant-based source of protein, making them a popular choice among vegetarians and vegans. Chickpeas also provide essential amino acids that are crucial for muscle growth and repair. Chickpeas are rich in several key nutrients that contribute to overall health, including iron, which is vital for energy production and oxygen transport in the blood, and manganese, which plays a role in bone development and wound healing. Additionally, chickpeas are a good source of folate, a B vitamin that is particularly important during pregnancy as it helps prevent neural tube defects. The adaptability of chickpeas in the kitchen is another reason for their popularity. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from hummus and falafel to salads and stews. Chickpeas can be easily incorporated into meals to boost nutritional content, especially fiber and protein. 9. Edamame. Edamame, young soybeans harvested before they have ripened, are a popular snack in many parts of the world, particularly in East Asia. They are celebrated not only for their fresh taste and satisfying texture, but also for their impressive nutritional content. Edamame is an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, as well as overall bodily functions. Rich in various vitamins and minerals, edamame provides significant amounts of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health, and folate, which supports DNA synthesis and repair. It is also a good source of manganese, which aids in the metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. This combination of nutrients makes edamame an ideal food for supporting metabolic health and energy production. Edamame is incredibly easy to prepare and can be served in multiple ways, enhancing its appeal as a versatile dietary component. It can be boiled or steamed and sprinkled with a pinch of salt for a simple snack, or added to salads, pasta dishes, or stir-fries for an extra protein and fiber boost. 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, known for their exceptional omega-3 fatty acid content, which is essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. They are derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala, and have been a staple in ancient diets for centuries. Today, chia seeds are celebrated for their ability to provide sustained energy due to their unique combination of fats, proteins, and fibers. These antioxidants not only preserve the seed's nutrients, but also confer health benefits when consumed, making chia seeds a wise choice for a health-conscious diet. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile in culinary use. They can be sprinkled on yogurt, mixed into smoothies, or used as a thickener in sauces and puddings. When mixed with water, they form a gel-like substance that can be used as a substitute for eggs in vegan cooking. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes without overpowering other flavors. 11. Lentils. Lentils are a cornerstone of many vegetarian diets due to their high protein content and nutritional density. These small legumes come in a variety of colors, including brown, green, and red, each type offering its unique flavor and texture. Lentils are not only rich in fiber but are also a great source of plant-based iron and protein, making them an excellent alternative to meat. The health benefits of lentils extend beyond just providing essential nutrients. They contain significant amounts of folate, a crucial B vitamin that supports red blood cell formation and proper nerve functions. Lentils are also a good source of potassium, which is necessary for maintaining proper heart function and regulating blood pressure. This blend of nutrients makes lentils particularly beneficial in preventing anemia and promoting cardiovascular health. Cooking lentils is straightforward, and they can be a versatile addition to a myriad of dishes. They cook faster than most other legumes, do not require pre-soaking, and can be used in everything from hearty soups and stews to salads and side dishes. Their earthy flavor enhances both hot and cold meals, making them a flexible ingredient in a diverse array of recipes. 12. Quinoa. Quinoa, often referred to as a superfood, is actually a seed that is prepared and eaten similarly to a grain. It has gained immense popularity worldwide due to its exceptional nutritional profile. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, which is particularly valuable for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. This nutritious seed is also rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for over 300 enzyme reactions in the human body, including those involved in the synthesis of fatty acids and proteins. Quinoa is also a good source of manganese, phosphorus, copper, iron, zinc, and vitamins B1, B2, and B6, rounding out its profile as a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Quinoa's mild, nutty flavor and grain-like texture make it a versatile base for a variety of dishes. It can be used as a healthier substitute for rice or pasta, added to soups for thickness, or tossed into salads for extra protein. Its ability to absorb flavors makes it ideal for both sweet and savory recipes, enhancing every meal with its nutritional benefits. Elevating your fiber intake is crucial for your overall health. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications to stay updated, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your engagement helps us provide more content like this.